Biotechnology is a multidisciplinary applied science of 21st century which covers all the technologies involved in entire biology that includes plants, animals, humans as well as microorganisms. This field aims at transforming biological inputs into commercial outputs and new products as well. In the current COVID pandemic, biotechnologists are the frontliners contributing in drug discovery, vaccine development as well as diagnostic kits for this deadly virus. Moreover, India occupies a leading position in the field of biotechnology, thus there is rapidly increasing opportunity for the application of this subject. Keeping in the view the scenario of biotechnology in India, Department of Biotechnology at Atmiya University has designed and launched a course of undergraduate and postgraduate level. BSc Biotechnology is a 3-year program which is full-time spread in 6 semesters with 140 credits. The students who have passed 10+2 examination with science subject, either biology or mathematics, are eligible for this program. MSc Biotechnology is of 2 years duration, spread in 4 semesters with 96 credit. Candidates with bachelor's degree in life science with 55% marks can take admission in this program. The department also offers PhD course in biotechnology. The department has successfully developed and implemented unique curricula for these programs based on the UGC and DBT model curriculum guidelines. In BSc, the first 3 semesters covers fundamentals of biotechnology like cell biology, biochemistry, microbiology, environment and genetics, and the next 3 semesters covers applied courses like bioprocess engineering, plant and animal tissue culture, genetic engineering, immunology and bioinformatics. The student can design their own mark sheet by choosing elective subjects like discipline-specific elective, generic elective, value-added courses, ability enhancement, skill enhancement, and value education for their holistic development. A unique applied course is offered at the UG level named Lab to Land, which does not go through classical way of theory and practical, but instead the learning is through experience of making bioproducts and taking it to society. In the master's program, these core papers of biotechnology and related subjects are offered at more applied and advanced level. The entire PG program is a perfect blend of life science and competency enhancement course. About 60% of our MSc final semester students are placed in various industries for degustation training or internship based on their interest. The competent and interested students also get opportunities to work in international universities under student exchange program. Scopes of the subject is very wide. BSc Biotechnology candidate can get job in private and government sector. After BSc, if the family or financial conditions does not permit you to go for masters, then one may also join postgraduate diploma program in clinical research, medical laboratory technology or patent management. Master's degree opens placement opportunities in various industries, educational institutes, patent office, hospitals and forensic labs. Students interested for research may proceed for PhD or postdoc in various areas as per their research interest. Thus, career profiles of biotechnologists could be any post ranging from a technician, bioproduction operator, R&D process development scientist to a food inspector. Of course, entrepreneurship, that is having your own startup company in biological field, is always an option, as Gujarat is a land of people with a strong business mind setup. About the salary package, completion of bachelor's degree will lead you for a job with a pay scale starting from 8,000 to 12,000 per month, but it is said that the more you learn, the more you earn. So it is recommended that master's program in biotechnology is better for good salary ranging from 15,000 to 30,000 per month, and further PhD will help you to earn up to 60,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month. To offer all these to you, Department of Biotechnology has an excellent infrastructure with well-equipped genetic engineering, plant tissue culture, animal cell culture and bioinformatics lab. The department has fair representation of faculties from different states who are qualified, well-experienced and involved in high-quality research. To study biotechnology, Department of Biotechnology, Atmiya University is one of the best option for you, as it has a very strong track record of last 20 years with the alumni well placed nationally and internationally. It has national recognition of DBT Star Department status from Ministry of Science and Technology, New Delhi, and is also recognized nodal center of Gujarat State Biotechnology Mission, Gandhinagar. Above all, Atmiya is a pious land which, under the visionary leadership of Pujya Tyagvallabh Swamiji and constant inspiration and blessings of His Divine Holiness Hari Prasad Swamiji, gives you ample opportunities not only to become a good businessman, a technocrat, or a scientist, but a very good human being.